Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video of Russian Big Brain. So today I'm going to show you a brand new video of Python.1. So if you guys went to your code inside of PyCharm, right, and then make a new Py, very simple. I'll actually delete it and I'll show you how to do it. So you make a new file, and then I'm going to make it main.py. Beautiful. Once we make it right here, we should get a little thing right here. We made our main.py. Have our check mark, and we're good. No errors. And so we're gonna start with importing our pygame. So this should become like this. Import. Very simple. If you run it and it looks like this, you're good. If this is something like this, you're all good. And then you can also import time. Pretty sure we've imported a lot of stuff before. Now since we imported all of our stuff, we can start making the actual stuff. So we're gonna start with making a width and height. So I'm gonna say w slash h, and I'm gonna make it equal to let's just say 900 by 500. This is just a pretty good one. Pretty good suggestion that I would say. So now I'm gonna make a new variable with the screen equals pygame.display.set underscore mode, and then I'm gonna make two things right here. If you guys are not understanding what I did, I just displayed the pygame into here. Really simple, really easy, by making it inside of a screen variable. I just set it to a mode, which I'm going to put in here. So this will be our w slash h, and that should be pretty forward and simple. Now since we made it, this is our width and our height that we put in. We already put it inside of a variable. If you run that, and it gives you this, and it exits immediately, and it says process with our exit code immediately, you guys are fine. This is what we're gonna do. So to make that stop, we're just gonna make a color. So I'm gonna make it white because it's by default black. I kind of want to make it black. So I'm gonna make a black equal to 0/0/0, which that is the RGB. All of the pygame uses RGB to fill its stuff. So now I'm gonna make screen dot fill. Really simple. And I'm gonna make it black. Alright, what I did, I just filled our screen, which is our stuff right here, with black, which I made a variable right here of 0/0/0, which is the RGB of black. So now I'm gonna make display dot flip. Oh, sorry. It's supposed to be pygame dot display dot flip. So what this now does is just it saves all of this and puts it in here. So if we run that and we have no errors and it goes immediately like that, we should be fine. Now we're gonna make it stop. So we're gonna start with making it running, which is equal to true, which we're running the screen, which is equal to true. If we open up that, should do this. Beautiful. Now if we do a while running for loop, and make a little thing right here, we can make a while running. Now this tutorial, part 1, is all about, if you guys know a little bit of Python. If you guys know a little bit of Python, you should know what's happening in here. So now we're doing while running. We're gonna do for event in pygame.get.event, and then I'm gonna make that. Oh, sorry. Event dot get, and I'm gonna make that. And now we have a for event in. We made an event in Pygame. We're an event in Pygame. and we got this. So now we're gonna make a loop or store this all in here. So now I'm gonna go down one, and then I'm gonna make if event dot type is equal to pygame dot quit, all capital. We'll make one of these, and then we'll do running, which is I'm gonna make it equal to false. So which is equal to false. Alright, what this does, it just makes it while running. I'm gonna make the if event dot type, which it's an event, and then equals pygame dot quit, which pygame already has a system for that. And then I just made it run false if it quits. So if I run that, it should have nothing. And we have our pygame window right here. Really simple, really easy. So now we have it good. Now, we don't want it to be named Python window. We don't want that. We want to name it something else. I'm going to just quit this right here. Or we could press the X. I'm actually going to show you that. It's pressing X. So we have it right here. We can take that out or press X. And so that takes it out. Now, I want to go back down to the display.flip. I want to make a pygame.display.set underscore caption. Now, what this does, it just sets a caption to our game. Pretty simple. Not that rough, I believe. We just set a caption to our display, which we have right here. And we're going to make it game 1. Because this is actually what we're going to do. Now, when we press play, we should have our game 1 right here. Now, I want to make a square. I know it sounds a little bit odd, but I want to make a square into our game. So what this does, we just make a pygame dot draw dot rect. Alright, now what this does, it just draws it inside a pygame. So we have pygame already in it, so we're all fine with it. So now I'm gonna make a screen slash, and now we don't have a color into it. So I want to make this color now white. So I'm going to make color 1, which I'm going to make it equal to 255/255/255. If you guys don't know what RGBs are, they're just red, green, and blue. The closest to red and green, the highest to red, green, and blue is 255, 255, and 255, which is white. And you guys can go and to find these, to get a specific one, go to your Google Chrome browser and you'll find color picker. Pretty simple little stuff. And then you guys can go right here and then pick your RGB. It only uses RGB, so we can only do that. Now, when we make our screen, we have already color 1, so we should make a color 1, and I'm gonna make it slash pygame.rect. Alright, now what pygame.rect does, make sure to put the thing over here uppercase, it just makes a thing where it's pygame. Alright, we made a rectangle with a pygame, and it just records it in here. So I'm gonna make whatever I want, so I can make it 100, 100, 100, 100, and this calculates our width and height. Beautiful. Alright, now if we run this, should get a little square right here. Doesn't that look cool? And it's white, which I think is cool. Now, that's all it. We can make several of them, or we could change it. We could do whatever we want with it. Now, I can make it whatever color I want. Let's just say I want it blue or green. I don't know which one it is. I don't remember. 128 right here. Now we can stop and rerun. Blue right here. So we got a dark little kind of blue in here, and it just looks fine. Now, next video we're gonna see how to actually move the blue little square, but that's for another video. So we'll see you guys later. Hope you guys have a great day, and bye. Should get the message right here.